Shruti ma'am, Modern English School, New Area, Nawada. Today I will show you how to make interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentence means that is questioning sentences. See, that is from past indefinite tense I will start, and past indefinite tense that both the sentence pattern I have written over here, that is positive sentences and negative sentences. See, positive sentences, that past indefinite tense, that is I ate. I ate. Actually, that in another way you also can write the sentence I did eat. And negative sentence, I did not eat. We ate. Positive sentence, past indefinite tense, that is we ate, and you can write it as we did eat. Why you have to write it? Because to make interrogative sentences, that is you have to bring the auxiliary verb just after the just after the subject, the auxiliary verb which is there, you have to bring that in front of the subject. Then your interrogative sentence will be prepared. Suppose, that's why I have shown you, that is past indefinite tense, positive sentence, that is I ate. You can write it that in another way also you can make the sentence, that is I did eat. So negative sentence, I did not eat, because already I told you that to make negative sentence you have to put not after the first auxiliary, and show that I ate, and the negative sentence of I ate is that I did not eat. Again, we ate and we did not eat. So now you come that how you have to make the interrogative sentences. So I ate, in another way you also can write I did eat. So auxiliary is must, and to make interrogative sentence you have to bring the auxiliary verb which is just after the subject. That one you have to place in front of the subject. You see that I did eat. So how you will make positive interrogative sentence? Did I eat? Did had come, I have put did in front of I, the subject. What did I say? That just after the subject, what the auxiliary is there, you have to put that auxiliary in front of the subject. So I did eat. What is the subject? I. Just after that, what is the auxiliary? That is did. So did I eat? The interrogative sentence, I did not eat. So did I not eat? Only the first auxiliary just after the subject, it will come in front of the subject. Others, the words all will be in their same position. Nothing will be changed. So past continuous tense, that is the very easy, that I was eating, you were eating, and he, she, it, or that Rani was eating. What will be the interrogative sentence? I was eating. Was I eating? So here one thing I am telling you, that I, the pronoun I, it will be always in capital letter. Always. Wherever it will sit, it will be always in capital letter. And another thing you have to keep in your mind, when and first letter of the sentence always will be in capital letter, and you have to put as per the sense, that is if it is at assertive sentence, that is full stop. If it is that interrogative sentence or question mark sentence, then you have to put note of interrogation or question mark. If it is exclamatory sentence, then you have to put note of that exclamation. So that sentence without that beginning letter in capital letter, and at the end of the sentence without the punctuation mark, that is either full stop or question mark or exclamatory sentence, it will not be sentence. So you have to very much careful of that. You were eating, were you eating? So only and when you are bringing the auxiliary that is in front of the subject, then now that where, W-E-R-E, where, now W will be in capital letter. So you have to keep all these things in your mind. So what is the rule to make the interrogative sentence? That the auxiliary, first auxiliary or the first verb which is there just after the subject, it will come and sit in front of the subject, and all the other words will be there as usual. Nothing will be changed. So this way you can try in every sentence that whatever I have given you previously, and your interrogative sentence will be prepared. Okay. Thank you everybody. Have a nice day. Stay at home. Stay safe.